Hello, today, we are going to explore the most perfect mountains in the world. What makes a mountain perfect? Is it symmetry, a shape so balanced it feels intentional? Or is it meaning, a place so powerful that humans choose not to touch it? Around the world, there are mountains that feel different. Mountains that don't just rise above the land, but stand apart from it. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most perfect mountains on Earth. Some are perfectly shaped, some are perfectly placed, and one is only perfect from a single point of view. When people imagine a perfect mountain, they usually imagine Mount Fuji, even if they've never seen it before. Rising nearly 4,000 meters above Japan, Fuji's shape is almost impossibly symmetrical. A smooth volcanic cone formed layer by layer over thousands of years until nature itself decided to stop changing it. What makes Mount Fuji truly perfect isn't just its geometry. It's how clearly it stands alone. On clear days, the mountain can be seen from over 100 kilometers away, dominating the horizon with calm authority. Unlike jagged peaks carved by chaos, Fuji feels intentional, as if the Earth wanted to show us what balance looks like in its purest form. That's why Mount Fuji isn't just a mountain, it's the definition of one. Deep in the Tibetan Plateau stands a mountain unlike any other on Earth. Mount Kailash is not the tallest, it's not the steepest, and yet, no human has ever reached its summit. From a distance, its shape looks almost unreal, a near-perfect pyramid with sharp edges and flat faces, aligned as if by design. For thousands of years, 4 major religions have considered this mountain sacred. To climb it is forbidden. While other peaks were conquered, Mount Kailash was left untouched, preserved not by law, but by belief. Its perfection isn't physical alone, it lies in restraint. A reminder that sometimes the most perfect mountains are the ones we choose not to climb. From above, Mount Taranaki looks almost impossible, a perfectly symmetrical volcanic cone, surrounded by a forest so evenly shaped, it forms a near-perfect circle around the mountain. This isn't a coincidence. The forest marks the boundary of a national park, where human activity stops, and nature takes over. Over time, everything outside the circle changed. Inside, the mountain remained untouched. The result is one of the cleanest, most mathematically satisfying landscapes on Earth. Mount Taranaki shows us something rare. Not just natural perfection, but what happens when humans know exactly where to stop. The Matterhorn doesn't look perfect at first glance. It's sharp, aggressive, almost hostile. Rising abruptly from the Alps, its 4 steep faces form a natural pyramid carved by ice, wind, and time. Unlike smooth volcanic cones, the Matterhorn is defined by contrast, light and shadow, symmetry, and chaos. It's one of the most photographed mountains in the world, not because it's calm, but because it feels powerful. The Matterhorn proves that perfection doesn't always mean balance. Sometimes it means standing sharp and unyielding against everything around you. Kirkjufell is a mountain of perspective. From most angles, it looks ordinary, but from one exact viewpoint, everything aligns. The mountain rises like a perfect arrow, framed by waterfalls, sky, and sea. That single angle turned Kirkjufell into one of the most photographed mountains on Earth. Its perfection isn't constant, it's conditional, and that's what makes it special. Kirkjufell reminds us that perfection isn't always about form. Sometimes it's about being in the right place at the right moment. We often think perfection is about symmetry or height, or flawless shape, but these mountains show something deeper. Some are perfect because nature shaped them gently, some because humans chose not to change them, and some are only perfect from the right place at the right moment. Maybe perfection isn't something a mountain has. Maybe it's something we see. Thanks for watching.